Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you. I hope everybody's having a great evening and a safe one out there as well. If you like my weather content, if you like my forecast I'm giving out and other weather information also, so consider subscribing to my channel. Smash that subscribe button and also smash the like button as I give out daily content of your local weather forecast right here on YouTube. Okay, let's dive into the forecast now. Alright, we're looking at the next 7-day rainfall totals across the lower 48, and the heaviest precipitation is ranging from the eastern coast of the United States, from the Gulf of Mexico all the way up to New England region in the southeast Canada. Lighter amounts further west of there in the southern Canada, and over into the middle of the country back toward the west coast of the United States. Heavy precipitation up in southwest Canada as the system drops out of Canada and down into the lower 48, which will spawn up another system over the central United States, which will bring more severe weather possible to the lower Mississippi River Valley, possibly over into the southeast early next week. I will keep an eye on that and see what happens. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center page. This is day 1 outlook. That's today. We're looking at, let's start off with a slight risk area, marginal risk. This is where the tornado watch is in effect. I'm expecting possibly a few more tornadoes possible, maybe some strong winds and some hail in this vicinity here. Let's see the tornado chance. We got 5% in the brown area, green 2%, 2% over here in Nebraska. Or, yeah, Kansas. Sorry, my bad. But, and the wind over here, 15% in yellow, 5% in the brown. And hail, 5% in the brown in this area here, and more in this vicinity here. Okay, let's take a look at day 2 outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. We got a general vicinity right here of just regular thunderstorms. I cannot rule out maybe a rumble of thunder with this line, but the line should weaken as it moves east. Could produce a isolated severe thunderstorm, but other than that, don't see much to it. Up here we got a slight risk and a marginal risk over Ohio. Let's take a look at the tornado probability. 2% chance there. Wind, we got 15 in yellow, brown is 5. Hail is 5% as well in that vicinity as well. Only thing we got, just a little bit of general thunderstorms that the system tries to develop down here in the Gulf of Mexico as well. That's going to impact the southeastern United States over the weekend and early next week. Okay, day 4 through 8. Far as I can see, day 4 through 8, the probability too low. You can see it there playing on the screen. I do not see any probability, but I would not rule out the possibility of some severe weather, possibly from Texas to the Carolinas, even Tennessee, early next week, and maybe toward mid next week as 2 systems come through. Something I will keep an eye on, and I will let you know as soon as more information comes available there. Alright, we're going to take a look at the satellite composite radar. The satellite composite. You can see that storm system developing over in the center of the country, producing all that snow and the severe weather in the south, in the portions of the south. Most of this system will continue to lift off into southeast Canada. The little trailing cold front will continue to move east. The precipitation with it should be dying out as it moves to the east. Alright, Here's a look at the triple HRR model. We're going to go through it real quick. As you can see, the precipitation on the north side. As we head through, the storms will continue to move to the east through through Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, and central Louisiana. And as we advance forward, the storm will continue to march off to the east, and you can see the line is beginning to kind of slowly dissipate as we get further and further in time. And here it is at 12 p.m. Thursday afternoon, and you only see scattered showers along the front. There may be a little bit more activity than this model showing, but that's why I said cannot rule out a few isolated thunderstorms that could produce a few damaging wind gusts, maybe some small hail possible. But other than that, everything. And up here, the low pressure, like I said, will continue to lift off into southeast Canada. That's going to bring also winter weather for the northeastern portion of the United States, and that's why they got the winter storm warnings and watches and advisories in effect for this portion of the United States. Okay, now as we look at our final forecast map here, this is another view of the lower 48. See, these are the watches and warnings talking about off of that system. Wind advisories here, tornado watch here, fire weather warnings, high wind warnings, more wind advisories for Texas and New Mexico, winter storm warnings and advisories stretching from Colorado all the way to Wisconsin and Michigan. That will continue to decrease from southwest to northeast as time wears on. Special weather statements and more winter weather advisories and a winter storm warning for the mountains of California. Okay, well, that wraps up our weather forecast for tonight. I hope everybody has a great evening. If you like my content again, if you like my weather forecast, smash that subscribe button and the like button. That gets my videos out to more and more people. And also share these videos also, if you can do that also. Have a great evening. We'll catch you back on the next one.